In this video, we do a seasickness prevention test and a review of the EmeTerm, which is an electronic nausea prevention wristband. First, we'll do a quick unboxing. The unit comes in two boxes, an outer box and an inner box. The outer box has some instructions on the inside lid which are very important. It states that you should change the wristband from one wrist to the other approximately every 30 minutes to prevent irritation. I will also assume that this means that it doesn't matter which wrist you put it on first. Inside the inner box, you will find the instruction sheet and, of course, the EmeTerm band itself and a USB charging cable. The USB charging cable does not come with the actual transformer plug that you plug into the wall, so you have to use one that you might have left over from a cell phone or plug it into a computer. A short press on the button shows you the state of the battery. 5 lights means it's fully charged. Because the EmeTerm sends and receives electrical signals, the skin must be cleaned before putting the unit on. The EmeTerm should be put about 2 fingers from the wrist. Also note that you're putting this on backwards from a watch, so it's on the palm side of your wrist. The band is a little stretchy and you want to pull it tight so it makes good contact on the wrist. It can be a little futzy, but all you need to do is push with your fingernails to get the little button through the band. Be sure to secure the tail end of the band using the same method. We don't want the band falling off by accident. To turn the unit on, press the button and hold for 3 seconds. When the unit first comes on, it is set in the lowest level. If this is not enough, if you don't feel anything, then you need to press the button, just one quick press, and it will set it up to the next level. And if that's not enough, you can repeat and go all the way up to the 5th level for the strongest setting. To go lower settings, you press it twice very quickly and it'll drop to the next lowest setting. Our test subject had a good night's sleep, was well rested, and she had a light breakfast of oatmeal, and so she was in a good state to give this a test. We started off having her steering the boat so that she can look at the horizon. This often helps prevent seasickness. About an hour into our trip, our subject is doing fine. She is reporting that the EmeTerm's pulses are changing as her heart rate changes. I'm assuming that this is a good sign and that the unit is working properly. It was a beautiful summer day, and with the confidence that the EmeTerm was giving her that she was not getting seasick and that she felt fine, she decided to move around the deck a little bit. Unfortunately, without warning, she suddenly started to feel ill. At that point, I stopped filming out of respect for our test subject. I got her back to the cockpit, got her in a very comfortable position, facing forward, looking out at the horizon. I set the EmeTerm to the next highest level. Unfortunately, she continued to feel worse. We headed back to the port as quickly as we could, and it took her over 4 hours to recover once she was back on dry land. Everyone is different and reacts differently to seasickness. I am sure that this unit probably works very well for many people. Unfortunately, it didn't work for my test subject.